Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at Wahoo's all-new multi-sport GPS watch with the Wahoo ELEMNT Rival. Jumping into the mountain bike, road bike and triathlon market, this watch is everything you need to keep track of your stats while training, and it's on your wrist. The ELEMNT Rival multi-sport watch keeps the focus locked on your performance, not your equipment. Using the intuitive ELEMNT operating system, the Rival delivers a simple user experience. Rival tracks heart rate, step and calorie information to create a data set athletes can use to optimize workouts and reach their training goals. It is constructed using Gorilla Glass, which is a highly reliable, impact-resistant glass, making your watch as tough as your training regime. Seamlessly connecting to your phone or any other Wahoo devices makes using this watch an absolute breeze. The interface is extremely user-friendly and easy to learn as well. One of my personal favourite things about this watch is just how good it looks and feels on my wrist. I can keep track of things with Strava and do it in style. So guys, if you're keen to have all the stats you could ever want right by your side, whether you're swimming, running, riding or doing a triathlon, I would highly recommend you check out the Wahoo ELEMNT Rival at pushys.com.au.